Hello, Year 1. Welcome back to your next lesson on our science vocab that we are learning this half term. So our topic is all about animals. And the next thing that we are going to be learning about are the different types of animals and the way that they eat. So let me share my screen with you, and we're going to go through some vocab. So the first thing we have is the word herbivore. Herbivore. Now, a herbivore is an animal, is an animal that only eats plants. So they don't eat meat, just plants. They need lots of energy to survive and eat all day long to get enough energy. So what kinds of plants do animals eat? They might eat, let's have a look, grass, leaves, fruit and vegetables or berries that they get from growing out in nature or from the bushes. They also might eat nuts and seeds. So a herbivore animal only eats plants. So an elephant eats grass. An elephant is a herbivore. Your turn. Herbivore. Well done. A rabbit eats vegetables and grass. So what is a rabbit? A rabbit is a herbivore. A giraffe eats leaves. He uses his tall neck to reach the leaves. He is a herbivore. Well done. Now, our next word that we are going to be learning is carnivore. Your turn. Carnivore. Now, a carnivore is an animal that only eats meat, no plants. An animal that gets its energy from eating other animals is a meat eater. So there is a carnivore. I wonder what animals only eat meat. Let's have a think. Maybe a lion or the crocodile that we have been learning about. So let's have a look. What kinds of meat do animals eat? So we have fish. They eat fish. So a bear might eat some fish. Insects. You might have birds or other type of animals might like to eat insects. Worms, birds eat worms, don't they? And then you might have like a raccoon or a weasel might come and steal some eggs because an egg is considered meat. And then you have a fox. A fox might eat a rabbit or might eat other type of rodents. And here we've got a bird eating a snake. So there are lots of different types of meat that animals like to eat. So a lion eats meat. So a lion is a carnivore. A shark eats meat and fish. A shark is a carnivore. Chameleons eat insects, and chameleon is a reptile, and he is a carnivore. So, hello, I like to eat grass and leaves. What am I? So we have a sheep and a giraffe. Is he a herbivore or a carnivore? Well done if you said herbivore. Hello, I like to eat grass and leaves. What am I? Got a zebra and a cow. Well done if you said herbivore. Now, hello, we are beasts and we like to eat other animals. We've got the jaguar, a lion, or a leopard. What are they? Well done if you said carnivore. Now, we have got another type of word, and this word is omnivore. Your turn. Omnivore. Now, an omnivore is an animal that eats both plants and animals. So you might have a badger. He eats worms, insects, small animals, but he also eats fruit and fungi, mushrooms. A pig eats leaves and roots and grass, but he also might eat other food that comes from meat. And a hedgehog. Did you know a hedgehog is an omnivore? He eats beetles and worms and slugs and snails, but he also eats fruit and berries, so he is an omnivore. So what do you think? What do these animals eat? So is the lion an herbivore or a carnivore? Well done if you said carnivore. That's right. If you look at his sharp teeth, he eats meat. So our three new vocab words, we have our herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. Now remember, these 3 words are the next topic that we are going to be looking at for animals. So we'll be looking at crocodiles, and if crocodiles are a herbivore or a carnivore or an omnivore, and looking at other type of animals and the different types of food they eat. So think about, what are you? Do you only eat plants? Do you eat plants and meat, or do you only eat meat? No. So think about what type of animal they are and what type of food they eat. Okay, thank you. Bye.